Hi, Elaine here with WTI. All masks are not created equal. These masks from Good Day Korean face masks are really special to me because they have protected my mom from going to the hospital every day, 3 times a week. They're very comfortable for her to wear and they do a good job at protecting her. I really love the fact that they have the seal around the nose, and as you could see, the ear bands are not very tight, but they do hold the face mask close to your face. I really like when things come together but in individual packages. That gives me more comfort that they are just for me and no one else has touched them. So if you're in the market for a good mask that's soft and comfortable and is not too hard on your ears, then you want to try Good Day Korean mask. These KF94s are really great. We love them, we highly recommend them, and that's just our point of view.